Welcome to our training on load securement and distribution, understanding and applying the North American Cargo Securement Standard. After driving a truck for a package delivery service for a decade, Jerry had finally scraped together enough money to buy his own truck and strike out on his own as an independent trucker. One day he was hired to haul some concrete pipe. He had never hauled concrete pipe before, but that didn't really worry him. He just used the tie-downs he had on hand. The route took him on a hilly, two-lane road that turned out to have a lot of potholes. Jerry cringed when he hit a particularly deep one, hoping it hadn't done any damage to his truck. He didn't even think about the effect of the pothole on his cargo until he took a turn and heard something crash. He had a bad feeling about what had just happened and pulled over right away so he could check it out. Sure enough, some of the pipes had fallen off the truck. Fortunately, no one was right behind him, so no one got hurt. Unfortunately, the pipes had fallen and broken in such a way that they blocked the entirety of the road, and a few cars were already slowing down as their drivers realized they would be stalled indefinitely by the accident. As thankful as Jerry was that no one was hurt, his thankfulness was overshadowed by his embarrassment as the drivers of the stopped cars glared at him. Jerry's accident was preventable. Chances are it wouldn't have happened if he had followed the North American Cargo Securement Standard. The North American Cargo Securement Standard forms the basis for the cargo securement and distribution regulations in the United States and Canada. The regulations are designed to ensure cargo will stay in place, keeping drivers and other motorists safe. This training covers the regulations covering most cargo. It also touches on the regulations specifically covering concrete pipe, an example of a material requiring special securement and distribution methods. After you have completed this training, you will be able to recognize the forces acting on cargo, identify securement system elements and their properties, select safe and legal securement and distribution methods, and apply tie-down regulations to varied cargo. So move on to find out more about the importance of load securement and distribution.